Open Blender. Delete the default cube if you're a normal human being.
Or like a normal person.
Add a plane scale at Rotate x 90. This will be our holy hologram. Go to Shading tab. Add a new material now. Add a wave texture. Things are gonna be wavy. Add a color ramp control. If you don't have the node, add and go to Settings Preferences and install it, you noob.
Kidding.
Anyway, add mix and press multiply then. Add saturation for some sexy colors, then add RGB curves for those colors to be more curvy, and now add an image for your hologram. I'll use Instagram. 'Cause I stay all day, there please follow me. Now do as I do.
Link.
The wave scale will determine how much lines there will be in the image as you see in your plane image. So a good one must be 30K to 40K. Now make those lines horizontal. Go to mapping and go to rotation and do 90 on Z. Play a lil with color. Ramp to make it look less visible for the hologram effect. And also on the rugby curve, just make it more down. And don't ask me why, 'cause I don't fucking know either. Just it looks great.
It's magnificent.
And add a lil saturation for better colors. Here's a tip: add your shitty hologram close to an object, not attached, but close to it, because it will give a fascinating reflection. Hers. An example. Thank you guys for watching my first tutorial. Now subscribe. JK, love you all. Peace.
Okay, thank you.